Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to email subject lines in HubSpot. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools and features. After you've logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. From this menu, click on Marketing to expand the marketing options. Once that opens up, click on Email. This takes you to the email management section where you can view, create, and edit all your email campaigns. Now that you're in the email section, you'll see a list of your existing emails. Browse through and click on the email where you want to add personalization tokens to the subject line. This opens up the email editor so you can start customizing it. Once the email editor loads, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a section that displays the subject line of your email. This is the area you need to focus on because that's where you'll be adding the personalization. Click on this subject line section to begin editing it. After clicking on the subject line area, look over to the left side of your screen. You should see a field labeled subject line along with editing options. From here, click on Personalize. This button opens up the personalization menu, which gives you access to all the dynamic tokens you can insert into your subject line to make your emails feel more tailored to each recipient. When the personalization menu appears, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Type. Click on this dropdown to see the available categories of personalization tokens. For this example, choose Contact from the list. This selection determines what kind of information you'll be pulling from your contact database. Next, look for another dropdown menu labeled Token. Click on it to see all the specific data fields you can insert. From this list, select the token you want to use. For example, you might choose Contact Priority. This token will pull the priority level assigned to each contact in your database and insert it dynamically into the subject line. Now, it's important to set a fallback value. This is what will display in the subject line if the contact doesn't have that specific information in their record. In the fallback value field, type something like priority. This ensures your subject line still makes sense even if the data is missing for some contacts. Once you've selected your token and entered the fallback value, click Insert. This adds the personalization token to your subject line and you'll see it appear in the preview. The token will automatically pull the relevant information for each recipient when the email is sent, and that's it. You've successfully added a personalization token to your email subject line in HubSpot, making your emails more targeted and engaging. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.